Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the backdrop lighting as well as the background on Dress to Impress free play mode. If you go here, there's going to be this color wheel that you can select to change the background. So this is just the background here. If you kind of press on the arrow, I know it doesn't show it. It shows it sometimes, but you can change the point light. And then at the end, you can also change the kind of screen light here. It is a little bit better if the background is black. You can kind of see the colors a little bit better, as you can see. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Sometimes it does show point light and whatnot, but I guess it doesn't want to show right now. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.